Italian flag ship owner. We see how Argentina and Cuba are really endorsed by Italian flag. Did any ship owners think about it? No. Did any ship owners think about the solution? No. Why? I just don't get it, because all the Italian flag ship owners look really to Asia. But what if we look to buongiorno, buonasera, cappuccino, hola, café, ¿cómo estás? Yeah, Italian and Spanish are very similar. We don't need to put the English language topping it. You see, like many ship owners do. Like, why not have this and then English language? Why is it necessary to speak English if we have like 600 million Spanish speakers and growing? Why? Because you see, when we write something, we read it. See, English, there is a lot of words you write and you don't read. You know, imagine like writing a number and don't reading it. Wow, that would be funny, wouldn't it? I owe you $75. No, sorry, it's 5. Yeah, yeah, it would be really, really funny. So that's the English language. But if you are Italian ship owner, you can think about this, Argentina and Cuba. Perhaps we don't have huge volume of ships, but perhaps if you have general cargos, there are some Spanish companies using 50 Cuban general cargo officers. Yeah. Also, if we talk about Argentina, there's not so many, but we could have enough for ferry, roro, or ships trading Argentina. If you have ships trading Argentina, why not use Argentinian crew if you have Italian flag? Or if you never thought about having Italian flag trading to Argentina, why not do that? If you have a container ship going to Argentina, why not Italian flag? Because of fiscal or financial reasons and so on. Then think about it very much, because we have the real solution. Well, the other big problem of the Italian flag is the number of supply of European seafarers, because everybody's saying there's not enough European seafarers, and you know, this is like a virus, like yeah, COVID is going to kill you. Yeah, well, perhaps it does, perhaps it doesn't. But are there now enough European seafarers? Yeah, why? Because everybody's saying they're not. And so now is the great time to invest within European seafarers, because everybody is like having these Indian and then Filipinos and then these Asian crews. And why not go back to the roots of the strategic talent retention, ESG, corporate social responsible, like Italian flag always has been number 1 in equality, number 1 in quality, number 1 in ESG. Then there is a huge volume of European seafarers, and we can really have a huge experience regarding Italian flag. Thank you. Arrivederci.